a day in my life as tamad na anak. Tagalog na lang. Bakit ba Because we believe in equality. Okay. I-print na natin to. We have the quote of the day. As Bishwanatan. He's a truth. Vishwanatan Anand. He's Anand. I like him. He is a world chess champion. And this is the quote that always comes into my mind. And now, sobrang ang sarap niya pakinggan kasi may kinaiinis akong tao ngayon. And sana ma-motivate ako nito na maging masipag na estudyante. Ako. Print na natin yan, guys. Okay, dahil sisimulan na natin ang ating revenge series na I don't know for how long, but right now we are so motivated to revenge on this person that we are going to study what we needed. Okay. Chess. Gusto ko ipakita sa kanya na kaya ko to. Okay. Na mas mahihigitan ko yun. Okay. Para dito may magta-timer tayo. Pakaingay! Okay. Ready? Start now. Okay. Ay, sobrang ganda. Sobrang ganda. Tingnan nyo, wala pa ako nagagawa. Ayun. Naka 1, 2, 3, 4 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lang. Naka 6 lang tayo. Kasi may iba tayong nilalagpasan. Kasi sobrang hirap. Hindi ko na kaya, guys.